Stock, we have stock number 848. This is a Ram 3500, heavy duty, turbo diesel. This truck is in amazing condition. As we come to the left, we have our side panels, which allows you to store any equipment in. We have our wheels, which are in great condition. As we come to the top, we have our Autocrane, which can lift up to 4,000 pounds. As we come to the back of the truck, we have our bed, which you can store a tire in the front and any other heavy duty equipment. As we come to the left, we have more side panels. We have our diesel engine tank. As we come inside of the truck, we will see that it has 102.9 miles.